Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn a Java program to convert ArrayList to string array. So we'll do it in two ways, using ArrayList.get method and another one is using toArray method. So let's go to our Eclipse and let's do it. So the very first thing what I will do, I'll create a new class, okay, and I will name it as convert ArrayList to array. Okay, public static void main. So the very first thing what we will do, we will try to declare the array list and initialize it, right? So to do that, what you can do, you can write array list, okay, then type is we know string, right? So array list string and name you can give al is equal to new array list, okay, and type is string, okay, fine. Now you need to import this, just okay, this should be capital, import it, okay. Now what you need to do, you need to add the values, right? So al dot add, we'll call the add method, and for example here we'll add some cities, so I'm giving Bangalore, okay. Similarly you can add some more names, okay. So for example Pune, I'm giving Delhi, then Bhubaneswar, okay, fine. Now what we can do, now we need to declare and initialize one string array. So to do that, what you can do, you can just write string, then define one array, string array is equal to, how you can do, new, then string, okay. What is the size, you can write al dot size method, so it will give size of the array list, okay. So that will be the size of the array, right? Now we will do the conversion, so we'll use for loop. So for, we'll take one variable int I is equal to 0, then I is less than, we'll tell array list dot size, okay, it will give the array list size, then I plus plus. Here what we'll do, here we'll use array list dot get method. So what we'll do, array of I in the ith value, what will keep, array list dot get of index here is I, okay. So here you will get all the values. Now you need to print it, right? So for printing we can use advanced for loop. In our last video you have seen this. So for string, I'll take a variable as j, then colon, we'll take array, then what we need to do, we'll just do a sys out, okay. And what will print here, we'll print j here, okay. So that's all. So let's execute it. So here you can see all the values are getting displayed, right? So we converted to array and the array value we can see here. So let's understand what we have done here. So first we have declared and initialized the array list. Array list type is string, al is equal to new array list type is string. Then we have added the values. So different city name we have given here, okay. Then what we have done, we have taken one string array. String array is equal to new string al dot size. So what is al dot size? Al is your array list. So array list having 4 values. So size is 4 here. So we have taken one array of size 4. Then what we are doing, for int I is equal to 0, I is a variable, type is integer, is equal to 0, I is less than al dot size. So al dot size means 4. 0 is less than 4, I plus plus array of I in array 0 value. In array 0 value, what we're putting? Al dot get of I. So al is your array list dot get of I means 0. In the 0th value, what is there? Bangalore. Similarly, again the loop will go up. I value is equal to 1. Then 1 is less than 4. Then in array of I, the second value will be Pune. Similarly, the third value will be Delhi and fourth value will be Bhubaneswar. Then this condition will not match. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So when it will be 4, the condition will not match. 4 is not less than 4. So we'll have all these 4 values. Then the next thing what we will do here, we are just printing it, right? So for string j of j, so we have taken the advanced for loop here. So in the advanced for loop, it will go from the starting to the, in the first iteration it took the first value and it printed Bangalore. Again in the second iteration, Pune, Delhi and Bhubaneswar. So we got all 4 values, right? So this is one way you can convert array list to array, string array. Okay, so what is the another way? Another way you can use toArray. So it is again same thing. What I will do, I will just comment out this part, okay, or I will just let me comment out this part. And what I'll do, instead of this, what we'll do here, string array is equal to, here we are initializing the string array, right? So what we will do, before initialization we can write al dot toArray, okay, and then we will keep it here. So what this toArray will do, so it will return an array containing all of the elements in the list in proper sequence, okay, from first to last element. So it will, whatever we are doing here, right, all this job, so this single line you can do the same thing, okay. So that's all, okay. Then what you can do here, anyway you are printing, right? So let me just execute it again, okay. So here you can see the same result, okay. So this is how you can convert array list to array. There are 2 ways we have seen, okay. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.